They do it well.
These two will scamper. They won't get two, but I tell you what, they'll run quickly between the wickets because they're athletes, these two.
Well, what about Islamabad United? They're on their toes. They're not going to let that easily happen. They can sniff victory here. 29 of 17 deliveries. And smart move once again from Shadab, bringing Ruman Reis from the pavilion end because he wants Ruman Reis to bowl 2 overs and the one in the middle, 19th over, I think he will bowl himself from the far end. So that's the plan at the moment. But I still feel that Islamabad just got to keep taking wickets.
Musa, 1 for 24 of his 4 overs right at the top. And he did very well to get through those 4. He got clattered against the ankle. Away for 4. That'll ease them somewhat.
No, Ruman. He's too good and too smart to bowl this stuff, Ruman Reis. Left arm round, heap of experience. And you look at Chadwick Walton sitting deep in the crease, back in the box, and anything of that length. Well, he's just so good at this as the Jamaican.
Fine leg up, third man up, that's not the length. You got most of your fielders right in front, so pitch it up. Try to go slow or just go full Yorker length. That's gone miles. That's massive. He's in a rush, Walton.
And just when you thought that the game was getting away from the Karachi Kings, yes, Chadwick.
Chatters love you to pieces. Well, it didn't bounce that much, but he's certainly got a good chunk of it. Oh, yes. This over really has changed the complexion of this contest. Suddenly now back to 19. That's all that's required. Talk about scratching your head or pulling your hair out. Shadab Khan. He's still got some.
The last time he was at the wicket, he got 45 off 20 against the Qalandars, Chadwick Walton. Is that taken? Is that taken? It is. I thought Walton was going to hang around because he thinks it's a bump ball. He is going to hang around.
I think it's out. It's one of those ones, it's a slower one, and he's sort of like just half volley chipped it. He's shaking his head as Hassan Raza, but that's why you can come upstairs and catch up with Mr. Riaz, who is our TMO here in match 28.
There'll have to be a soft signal here. We need to see it though.
Why is he talking to the third umpire? Just go straight and just check. Is he telling what exactly needs to be checked? Yes, soft signal, out. So that's a big call from the umpire, and it is Islamabad's liking. That's what they want. They want this to be a catch and carried.
Yeah, because now there needs to be conclusive evidence to overturn the decision, which is out. That is absolutely fine. It is a slower ball. You get set up there. Look at that. Lovely.
Here we go. Yeah. Chatters, you're naughty, hanging around. You know it's been caught. Oh, Chadwick Walton. Watched it all the way. Knew it's not a bump ball. Look. Oh, yes. I think you should be fined for this. The modern game, you guys earn a truckload of dollars. You need to be fined for this. Big time.
Yeah, reached for it, didn't it? He just sort of didn't go with the shot. It just holds back and a little chip. Fingers underneath the ball. I think it's carried. I'm sure it is carried. Maybe another angle might give us a better picture. Okay. Yeah, definitely fingers underneath. For me, he's out. He's got to go. Chadrick can see that. Chadrick knows that was carried.
Bye, Chatters. Back for a shower. There's another one. Mr. Riaz is upstairs, TMO.
And the evidence has to be conclusive in order to overturn it. For us, we can see that he's taken the catch cleanly. That's a lovely angle, that as well.
You can't turn that. That is out. The fingers are underneath the ball, and he is being given out. So it has to be out. So let's go to the big screen and see what we get. O-U-T. Gotta go. Another twist.
Told you, Chatters, you knew it. Don't start looking there at the ump. We watched it all the way. Double figures, legs 11. Bye-bye now. It's 118 for 6. It's just
Cost him a boundary and a big 6. Another good delivery. Another very good delivery to end the over. 18 gone, and it's 119 for 6.
Shadi, we're saying close.
18 of 12, that's all you need to know. And Shut Up Khan, the captain, says, I will take the responsibility. Dot. Dot. This is the over, isn't it? It's the second last over that is always the big one. You need to give that last man something to defend.
spot on. That penultimate over, so important. Everyone goes on at the last one. Well, it often can be decided in the 19th. Nicely swatted, but good protection. Good field sets from the skipper himself on. And I don't mind this. I like pace off. And he's a wrist spinner.
Are they going to be dancing
I hope
after
so.
the game?
Yeah.
You have.
Yeah, I want them to win. I'm making my clear cut. Getting off the fence. Come on, United. You're a United man, aren't you? HD Ackerman? Man, you. Oh! Was it a bump ball though? Chatters! Look, oh, hang on. Hang on. Good pace. Good hustle, Jordan.
Right, stay with us here. Stay with us here, because this is a catch that's been put down, if we could call it a catch, because it was actually a brilliant effort, because it was smashed, palmed over the bar, and then a good bit of fielding in the deep has seen that he's got a scamper, he's got to go, he's quick. Jordan is in.
Yeah, such a good runner. Doesn't matter if he's wearing pads or not. He runs quickly. Every run here now is crucial.
Yes, Shadi, yes, Shadi.
Yorker, bowled, loses the strike, Jordan. Loses the strike. Fourteen from 8.
One big hit will do the job.
Yes, Shadi, yes,
And that's
Shadi.
what Karachi Kings hoping. And he's going to take him on. That's wide. That's He's got 3 fielders on the offside which are trying to save that cut shot. And that's what he's trying to make him play wide. You want him to play more toward mid-wicket, play across the line.
Gone! It's gone! That's huge!
Ah, shatters! Shadi Khan tried the Yorkie, wanted the quicker one to get it in the block hole. You called it Waqar Yunus, that's what they're looking for. It was a lovely knee-high full toss. And one stroke
Shadi.
can suddenly change everything.
Smeared away, will want to and should get to. The long strides of Umad get to. Good over, 13 from it. Brilliant over, 132 for 6. Because this is T20, anything can happen. A wicket here. A wicket here. One. Any wicket or dot? What are you asking for?
I'm asking for 2 wickets, in fact. HD Akram back to back. Oh, a lovely strike. It wasn't the greatest delivery going around, but you still got to put it away, and did so.
Yeah, it was a 3-iron, wasn't it? It was a quick delivery. He didn't give himself a chance, Shadab. Getting enough turn off the surface. He just got a little bit worried. That's why I just tried to spare that in as a Yorker and just missed the length completely. And the advantage taken by Umad. What a hit.
That's a glorious shot. That is a glorious shot for 4 to bring the scores level. No, it doesn't. It's victory. It's victory for the Karachi Kings.
Oh, loving it. Let's cut loose.
Done and dusted. Yeah, beautiful hit to finish it. They had their hearts in their mouth for a little while. The dugout was very, very worried. Well done, Umad, the way he batted. Beautiful hit of Shadab in the previous over and then finishing on the second delivery of the last over. Comfortable win, you can call it at the end. But Karachi Kings at one stage were sitting comfortable, should have won it comfortably.